Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We hope you are all doing well. By the grace of Allah, we have successfully started our free medical camp. The purpose of this camp is not only to provide treatment, but also to create awareness about health and reach those people who are unable to afford medical care. In our society, many individuals stay at home despite being sick, simply because they cannot afford consultation fees, tests, or medicines. Keeping this reality in mind, we are providing free medicines to poor and deserving patients through this medical camp. Insha'Allah, our mission does not stop here. In the near future, we plan to establish a free dispensary where basic medical tests and essential medicines will be provided completely free of cost. We strongly believe that when intentions are sincere and the purpose is to serve humanity, Allah opens doors and makes the path easier. Your prayers, support, and encouragement are our greatest strength. May Allah grant us the ability to continue serving humanity. Ameen.